Welcome back to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. Pull up a chair and let's cook something delicious. We're going to make our pumpkin pie for Thanksgiving. We need 3 eggs, our evaporated milk, pineapple, good lord, pumpkin, pure pumpkin, vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon, ginger, regular sugar, brown sugar, and a pie crust in a deep dish pie pan. Let's get started. We have our oven preheated to 425. We're going to crack our 3 eggs into our bowl, and then we're going to add our sugar, which we need a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. We don't really need this because we're not separating our eggs, but I got this from Ototo, and the basket comes out. It's to separate your eggs, and I just wanted to try it out. So we'll just put our egg right in there and dunk it right on down. Look at that. I got the white, the yolk stain. Otato, you really know how to make cool kitchen gadgets. I'm going to go ahead and dump that because I don't need it, but I'm going to try it again. It's pretty cool. Especially if you have kids, this is awesome. There you go. Just like that. Whites go down, yolks stay up. Thanks, Otato. We have our eggs in. We need a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And we want to pack our brown sugar. We want to whisk this all together. So your 3 eggs, your brown sugar, and your granulated white sugar until it's all mixed well and nice and smooth. You don't need, pumpkin pie is easy to make. You don't need to get out your big old mixer. You can if you want to. I've done enough dishes already and I'm going to be doing so many more. So I'm just doing this way. Get that all mixed nice and smooth. Add in your whole can of pumpkins in. We're going to add in our whole can of evaporated milk. Milk's in. You need a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Nutmeg is very strong, so I wouldn't suggest putting more than that. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You want 1 to 2 teaspoons of ginger paste, so I'm just going to do a heaping spoon. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, so that'll just get out the rest of that ginger paste. You're just going to mix this all together until it's nice and silky with no lumps. So we're just going to mix, 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 mix. Our pie crusts were in the refrigerator. I got them out and left them sit for 15-20 minutes to get to be room temperature. You're going to place this in your ungreased 9-inch deep dish pie pan, and you're going to slowly unroll this nice and carefully so it doesn't stick. You're gently going to put it down in and make sure that it's into the corners and just let it flute itself. Now with this other one, we're actually going to make some leaves to put on top of our pumpkin pie. You're going to pour that mixture right into your pie crust. We have that all in there. I'm going to make these. I'm not going to put them on until closer to the end. I want this to firm up some first. So we're going to bake this at 425 for 15 minutes. Then we're going to turn it down to 350 for another 35 to 45 minutes. These babies work really cool. So you just take it and press it down like here. And when you pick it up, oh, that one didn't stay. I say it works really cool and then it didn't work. But when you pick it up, it stays in there and you just push it right on out. Except for I just can't get it there.
You're not putting the little things in them.
Here we go. It's going in. 425, 15 minutes. So you have to push it down, but then you push this down to indent it. Pop it up, and there you go. So see, you push it down, push it down to stamp it, pop it up. See how beautiful they are? These are pretty cool.
You don't need to push down that much force. Oh, you didn't push the other thing down.
So we're past our 15 minutes. It's looking okay. I think we're gonna pull that out and put some foil around the crust. So we pulled that out because we're going to put some foil on it. We're gonna go ahead and put our leaf design on, and we're gonna give them just a little bit of an egg wash, and then we're gonna put foil all over the edges. We need to lower our temperature to 350 and put it back in for 35 to 45 minutes. And now our crust shouldn't get burnt. It's been 35 minutes. It looks like it could go another 10. This pumpkin pie is all done now. Just gonna pull that baby right on out. I'll pull off our little makeshift. Oh, I lost one. We gotta let this cool down. And there you have it, Thanksgiving pumpkin pie. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. See you on the next video.